Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Okta groups and roles during identity migration. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current Okta setup. Identify all groups and roles in your existing Okta environment. Document the hierarchical structure of your groups. Ensure you have access to necessary tools and permissions. Log in to your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to the directory section. Select groups to view all existing groups. Export the list of groups in a CSV format for backup. Next, review the roles assigned to each group. Go to the administration section to access roles. Download the current roles configuration. Create a mapping document to organize how groups and roles will be transferred. Determine if any groups are obsolete and can be archived. Establish a plan for merging similar groups if necessary. Use the Okta API for bulk transfer operations. Review Okta's documentation for relevant API endpoints. Authenticate your API request using your Okta credentials. Run the script to create groups in the new environment based on your mapping. Monitor for any errors during the API calls. Once groups are created, proceed to assign roles. Use the API to associate roles with the corresponding groups. Verify that permissions are accurately transferred. Conduct a review of the newly configured groups and roles. Test group memberships by simulating user logins. Ensure that all access controls function as expected. Document any discrepancies for follow-up. Communicate with your team regarding completed migrations. Plan for a final review after all transfers are complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.